Hey guys, it's probably been a while since you've seen me. Franco here, if you don't know me. And I've really been busy with a lot of things. My life has taken over, so I haven't had much time to make some videos. But I just want to tell you that I'm probably going to be making more videos more frequently now. And just want to let you guys know. So today I am doing something that I usually don't do. An app review. And the app is called Twitoc. It's made by my friend. His Twitter username is Pixel Addict, but some of you, most probably not, know him as Greg. He and his developer, the guy who actually developed the app, he had the concept and the UI. His name is Matthew. Well, his Twitter username is Matthew Patience. So you guys can go check him out. I'll put a link in the down bar. And you guys can follow both of them and see the progress on the app. Alright, so let's get to the actual application. It is a Twitter application, and it is not actually a full-featured Twitter application. It's not like, let's see, like Tweeter, which you can see the widget here. It's not a fully featured Twitter application. It is merely a widget using the Google voice recognition software. I'll just give you a quick demo, show you that it actually works very well. People might say that Google voice recognition software isn't very good, but those people just don't know how to enunciate their words. So let's see. You tap on the speech button. Hello. Let's cancel that. That was a bad one. You can press retry since we didn't like that. So, again, we didn't like this. So we can press retry and do it again. So now let's say this is a test. This is a test. As you can see, it perfectly picked up what I wanted to say. I can press send. It'll send the tweet, and in a matter of seconds it will be updated so the Twitterverse can see it. Just let me get rid of that highlight. It really annoys me. The application only works on 2.1 and up, 2.1 phones. So because that is where the Google voice recognition software is included. There might be plans of getting it on 1.6 or lower versions, but as you can see here, firmware version 2.1. It's not focusing, but I'm sure you can make out what it's saying. I'm running CyanogenMod 5.07 DS Test 3 with a fix that Cyanogen had for some of the problems. Before I was running an overclock kernel, but that would be for an entirely different video. So, turn the brightness down. This application is very simple. It's only a widget. If you try to open it, let's see if it's here. If you attempt to open it, it'll tell you Twitoc is a voice input mobile application for Android that posts to Twitter. Twitoc is a widget. Select menu, add widget. Select Twitoc to place the widget on your home screen. It has using instructions for the people that can't figure it out. To use Twitoc, simply click the microphone on the widget and speak into your phone. Twitoc will translate your speech into text. Click send to post your Twitter timeline. Now, like I said before, this is not a fully featured Twitter application. It doesn't have a timeline or anything. It just serves one purpose and one purpose only: to send your tweets quickly using your voice. This, for people that drive, obviously I don't, if you couldn't tell. That's very good for people that don't want to pick up their phone and have to use it and maybe text while they're driving. In some places that's illegal, like in Canada, which is where Greg originates from. So it's just a simple solution so you don't have to type out your tweets. Now you can still type it out. The meaning of this tweet will be revealed to you. Now it might take a little bit longer for the length of the tweet. As you can see, most of it picked up everything I said, even what I didn't want it to pick up. But what I wanted to show you was that the tweet can be edited. It's not just speech. So maybe if you are in a situation where you can type it out and you want to say add some grammar or punctuation or capitalize a letter, you can just go right there and edit the tweet. So it doesn't actually limit what you want to say. You can add and edit whatever you want. You can, as I showed you before, you can retry it and then you can just send like you normally would. Now, there are a few things that I want, really one thing that I wish it would have was that the first letter of the word of the sentence is capitalized. Something that I think doesn't look very good when the first letter of a sentence isn't capitalized, and it's pretty annoying to me. So I'll show you an example. Please give me capitalization. Even though I kind of mispronounced the word, it still picked it up. But please give me capitalization. As you can see, the P there is lowercase. And hopefully they can add that. I think it'll be a simple feature to add. Won't need a major update. But Greg and Matthew are taking in a lot of feedback. They want to make sure this app works fine for everyone, and they'll be having constant updates so everyone gets the best use of this app as possible. If you want to contact, you should follow me at twitter.com/Francoissmexy, and then follow both the devs at twitter.com/pixeladdict, spelled PIXELADDIKT, and then Matthew Patience, spelled MATTHEUPATIENCE. So follow those for more updates, and I'll get back to you in a few.